got so much motherfucking design on right now. Bring it down, bring it down, make it come. I got 3 whole thoughts, I'm the guap with her head down. Bitches on my line, and you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today and speak about a cause that has been close to my heart and one that is central to the progress of our society: women empowerment. At its core, women empowerment is about recognizing and nurturing the potential, dignity, and rights of every woman. It's about ensuring that women have the tools, opportunities, and freedoms to lead fulfilling, autonomous lives free from oppression and discrimination. It is about challenging the biases, breaking the glass ceilings, and creating a world where gender is not a barrier to dreams, achievements, and success. Throughout history, women have played a crucial role in shaping civilizations, whether as leaders, warriors, caregivers, innovators, or creators. Yet, too often, their contributions have been overlooked or diminished. Empowering women, therefore, is not just about giving them a voice. It's about acknowledging their strength, their resilience, and the unique perspective they bring to the table. We live in a world where gender equality is still a dream for many. The fight for equal pay, equal opportunities, and equal representation in decision-making position continues. But women empowerment is not just about equality in the workplace or politics. It's about success to education, healthcare, and to freedom to live without fear of violence or discrimination. It's about creating environments where women can thrive, make choices for themselves, and have the agency to control their own lives. Empowerment is also about changing the narratives around women. It's about breaking down the stereotypes and societal expectations that limit their potential. Women are not just caregivers or homemakers. They are leaders, scientists, entrepreneurs, artists, and so much more. We must continuously challenge the stereotypes that hold them back and create spaces where women can be their full, authentic selves without the need for validation for approval. But women empowerment is not just a responsibility of women. It is the responsibility of all of us. Men, women, and communities must work together to create a world where respect, equity, and opportunity are the foundation of every interaction. We must lift each other up, not tear each other down. It's about creating networks of support, mentorship, and solidarity that enable women to rise above the challenges they face and reach their full potential. Women empowerment is not just about improving the lives of women. It is about improving the fabric of society as a whole. When women are empowered, they empower the next generation, uplift families, and drive nations forward. The progress of women is the progress of humanity. So let us commit to creating a world where every woman, regardless of her background, has the power, the resources, and the opportunity to live her dreams.
I got so much motherfucking design on right now.